I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about
I'm gonna start off with the tinted moisturizer, which has SPF 20, which is very important for the summer. Next I moved to the foundation, and I used a MAC Studio Sculpt foundation, and I only apply a gentle layer because I feel like in the summer it's great to go with a bit less makeup. I apply some extra foundation to my freckles. Next I'm gonna gently fill in my eyebrows with my one and only Article Brow Powder. Summer primer, I chose this Avon Lux foundation, which is extremely light textured and very silky. So the first thing you're gonna need for this eye makeup is a white Stardust, or basically you can use whatever eyeshadow you want to. I mean white eyeshadow that's just a glimmery and glittery eyeshadow. And I'm building up the texture by adding 2 layers of the dust. And I'm applying it actually with a concealer brush because the Stardust just doesn't attach to the regular brush. Next I'm gonna take a darker brown, and with that I'm gonna add some dimension to the eyeshadow look, and I'm just drawing like a V shape and then blending it out all over the crease, and later on I'm just blending it out with a fluffy brush. And now it's finally time to add the golden effect to the look. For that I'm slightly tipping the golden shadow all over my lids. Next I'm gonna take a darker brown, and here you can basically choose how dark you want the brown to be, and you can use black as well if you want to go extra dark. I'm drawing a very little V, which I'm not going too far with, and I'll blend it out. In the summer we still need a pop of colors, so I'm adding a little portion of this light pink to the inner part of my crease. Next I apply some more dust on the inner torso of my lid to lighten it up. To put this look more together, I apply the white dust also under my eyes and go over with the golden shadow. Next I just raise my eyebrow and brow bone by applying this matte white eyeshadow. So as I thought eyeliner on the lid would be just too harsh for this look, I instead applied black liner to my upper waterline and lower third, and white eyeliner to 2 inner thirds, plus brightening the eye corners pretty harsh. So we're almost heading to the last step of the eye makeup, which is mascara, but first let's curl the eyelashes. So first I'm applying Maybelline 1x1 mascara, which adds a lot length, and I'm also applying it to my lower lashes. Applying the second coat of mascara with the Article mascara to add more volume and thickness to my lashes. And here's a quick look of the finished eye makeup. Now let's move back to the face makeup, and first I apply some bronzer, and I make sure to apply it as less or as much as it looks still natural. I think this color toned blush is the perfect tone for this makeup look, and it adds such nice summery feeling. For the highlighter I use this eyeshadow pencil, and yes, eyeshadow pencil, but I've lately found out that this works pretty well as the highlighter, and the yellow tone just gives a nice accent to the look. I'm keeping my lips simple but moisturized with the Baby Lips lip gloss. And on top of that, to the center of my lips, I apply this pinky coral lip gloss with the jumbo applicator. basically everywhere, to a walk, to a breakfast, to lunch, dinner, to a special event, to a casual one, so basically everywhere. If you enjoyed this video, then please give this video a thumbs up, because this helps me out a lot. And please leave your thoughts of the look below and hit the subscribe button also below, and I'll see you in my next video, sweeties. Bye!
I dream of you.